Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Good day, my name is Nompumelelo Xaba, founder of Zano Clothing. We are a trailblazing clothing manufacturing company. We are based in Krugersdorp. I started my business because I needed an extra income. So I started by learning how to sew with YouTube videos, and then started with smaller projects such as certain bonnets and certain pillowcases. We offer certain sleepwear, customized certain sleepwear, certain pillowcases and certain bonnets, as well as ready-to-wear clothing. What sets us apart is our high-quality products, as well as our stylish, innovative collections that we offer. You can access our products on takealot.com, on our website www.zanoclothing.co.za. We also courier nationwide via PEP Pexi, as well as the Courier Guy. You can get hold of us on Facebook, Zano Clothing, Instagram, Zano_clothing, as well as on WhatsApp, 081-207-3838. We also have a website, which is www.zanoclothing.co.za. Hi, my name is Nompumelelo Xaba, and I am a township entrepreneur.